In this video, I will show you how to disable animations in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Turning off or disabling animations is a great way to speed up your PC. So to do this, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, you want to type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and from here you want to click onto accessibility. On the accessibility section, click onto visual effects, and in here you're going to see an option for animation effects. What you want to do is turn this option off, and once you've done that you can close this down. Now another thing you need to do is come back down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. This time you want to type adjust. Once you've done that, underneath best match you should see a option come up which says adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Give that a click, that's going to open up a window like this, and from here you want to make sure you're clicked onto the visual effects tab at the top, and you're going to see three options at the top which you need to turn off. So we've got animate controls and elements inside Windows, switch this one off, animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, turn that one off, and also animations in the taskbar. Turn this one off, and once you've done that, click apply and OK underneath, and what that's going to do is disable animations in Windows 11. So that's how to disable Windows 11 animations. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.